In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear shock absorber on this Chevy Colorado. Let's get started. At the bottom of the shock, you'll have a 21mm headed bolt with a 21mm mounting nut on the other side. I'm going to hold the nut with a wrench and remove the bolt with my socket. At the top, you have two 10mm headed bolts. Remove them both. Pull the shock out, and there it is. It is important before we install our new shock to prime it or start it, and that entails squishing it down several times so that you can mix everything up inside, because it's been sitting on a shelf for a little bit, and you can have clunks over bumps if you don't do this at the beginning until it just naturally moves things around in there. So press it down all the way, make sure it's sitting in an upright position. And now, without pulling it, just let it expand and come back up by itself. Then we'll do this 3 to 5 times, and then we can install it on the vehicle. Bring the shock absorber up into position. I'm going to line it up at the top first. Try to secure it in with at least one of the bolts. Don't tighten it fully. Let's put the other one in. Torque spec on these two bolts is 26 foot-pounds. There's one. And two. Now bring the shock into position on the bottom. If it's not lined up, you can either use a pole jack or a floor jack, and make sure that it does line up by lifting the rear differential in place. You may not always need to do this, it just depends on your situation. Slide the bolt in the same way that it came out, and that is from the inside towards the outside. We'll put the nut back on, and let's snug it up. Now torque this to 70 foot-pounds. Remove your support, and now you can do the same on the other side. Always replace shock absorbers in pairs.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.